Hi everyone, welcome to Tri Dasa Kala, which is 3 decades of us being in our business and fashion industry in Indonesia, a review and also a celebration of sustainability in fashion. Everything started in 1994 when we opened our first Popolo boutique, bringing international fashion to Indonesia. Here you can see a few of our invitations from that time, because we did fashion shows presenting different brands. This one was the first one in 1994. In 2013 we started to develop the first batik collection under Popolo Batik, and on the far right side is when we received Devi Fashion Night from Devi magazine in 2013 for our first batik collection. So while in the beginning with the Popolo boutique we imported international fashion to Indonesia, with Popolo Batik we started to produce fashion in Indonesia using traditional Indonesian textiles. So here you can see a few of our highlights during our last 30 years producing batik. And the first collection shown here is the Star Wars collection, which we did for Walt Disney Indonesia. And you can see here some of the stamps for the batik chap, for the stamp batik, but we also produced hand-drawn batik. And actually in 2023 we received from the movie award, which is recognition for special achievements in the industry we are in. So these are the medals from the movie, and we have also the certificate in the back. After the Star Wars collection, which was a big success, we were invited again by Walt Disney to collaborate with them on the launch of the Black Panther movie, and we created different looks for the Black Panther launch, which includes also the look on the mannequin. Before Black Panther, we joined or attended Tokyo Fashion Week in 2017, which was a collection called Purity, and it explained the life of the people living in Kingdom of Mosang in the Himalayas, where you can see the brown standing for the man, the blue standing for a woman. So this was representing the mountains, while blue was representing water. And in the last part of the collection or launch, both colors and motifs were combined to feature the people of Mustang. So here you can see one of our key looks from the Tokyo Fashion Week show, Purity. It's one of the blue looks, so the female looks for water. And we made this in 2017 already out of leftover fabrics from different materials, 100% cotton poplin, twill, some parts are in silk, and everything is combined together to create this dress. In 2021 we were asked by Uniqlo Japan to develop for them special Idul Fitri or Ramadan collections, and we did that for 3 seasons every year from 2021 to 2023. And here you see some of the samples. We had a women's collection and a men's collection. Here you can see some of our most precious batik fabrics. The first one here is 100% cotton, but it's on a very, very small scale. It's called Slobok motif, which is a motif in Indonesia worn for mourning, and usually also made in blue. This fabric is very special because of the very small titics, we call these dots. To make these fabrics, usually you need 3 to 6 months depending on how many colors you use. The second one is of course hand drawn, same as the one before, was also made by hand drawing. This one is from our tattoo collection, which was a collaboration with a German tattoo artist, and it's made on white background. This is a very complicated process because every part which is white needs to be covered by wax. So you can imagine how the details, how difficult is that to draw on the fabric. By the last one here shown is a stamp motif on silk. So here a copper stamp is used, and the artisan needs to stamp twice on each fabric on the same positioning to realize this outcome. On this side we show you some of our fabric materials. So in the beginning here we have silk web, the same motif which you saw before in cotton, the slobok motif, very detailed, very fine highlight piece. Then we have the silk satin, also in hand drawn batik. This is a very special one because it's made out of pineapple threads. So it's made out of the waste of pineapple skin. And then batik also in hand, and another one in silk satin.